I always say to anyone that asks me of any kit that I use, if I'm using it, it will be good, because if it's not, I'm out doing a job. If it's not good, I won't use it. Why would I use something that's not good when I'm trying to do a job? A Krypton is a Pulsar thermal imaging. It goes on the end of your scope, so it turns any daytime scope into thermal imaging. It's absolutely brilliant. It's very simple and easy to attach. It's literally seconds. It's just one little lever. Just put it towards you to lock it on, put away to pick off. For different scopes, if you've got different size lenses, anything like 40mm, 50mm, 56mm, you get different rubber inserts which literally just slide on and off to clip on to suit that, and you can adjust that lever as well if it's slightly out. It literally takes seconds. I found it's better off with your magnification on low. You start it on low and then always zoom in, because obviously if you are slightly zoomed in on your day scope, you've also got the slight zoom on the thermals added together. So if you're zoomed out combined, you are slightly zoomed in, and you can zoom in again a bit more if you want to. But for some thermals, when you zoom in, everyone knows it's a known fact they go a bit blurry. But I mean, you've got no issues shooting a fox at 200 yards with that Krypton. The first time I went out with it, I didn't have it focused, and it was a treble fox as well. It was on this bank, and I thought I was all good to go. And I set up, I was on it. As soon as I turned it on, I was completely out of focus because the parallax of my day scope and the focus of that was all muddled, and it was just a blur. I couldn't see nothing. That was apart from that. Once you've got it set up, you don't have to do that every time. But I've got it set up now, and it's just I can not put it on for a week. Put it on, and it's absolutely bang on. Price-wise, it is expensive, but it's it does the job.